Vlog, 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 vlog. Vlog, vlog, vlog.
Look at the size of those Cape buffalo. One of the most dangerous animals in Africa. Animals I was most excited to see.
Kunin mo na! Oo eh.
Isang body ko na match
So these are the grand.
Balik mo ulit siya doon, tapos papel mo.
Oh, they're pretty. There's a whole bunch of zebras out there. Just this one spot, we're seeing hippos, gazelles, wildebeest, zebras. I mean, there's just look at that. That's cool. Oh, there's Ice cream flying. Lots of big birds. Big pelicans out there. Oh, that's a big elephant. Oh, and there's another one right over there. Another big elephant. He's out there flapping his ears. There's 4 lionesses just right over there to the right. There's some baby lions in there. Can't see the babies clearly, but every once in a while you'll see them. Like right there. Oh, there's a lion right there.
Roar.
Nalayo mo, Wida. Ay, kara.
iPhone